AI is widely used and AI-based data coding is generally more efficient as industry and consumers benefited from unified media coding standards. Industry will benefit from AI-based data coding standards. But there is no organization dealing with such AI standards in a unified fashion. MPAI is an international, unaffiliated non-profit association developing standards for AI-based data coding that bridge the gap between standards and their practical use.
AI Framework Standard specifies elementary units called AI modules performing data processing, AI and machine learning functions implemented in hardware, software, and hybrid. AI workflows, composed of AIMs, implement applications executed in AI frameworks. An implementation of the company performance prediction use case assesses the default and discontinuity probabilities, and the governance adequacy of a company. Multimodal conversation has 5 use cases: conversation with emotion, multimodal question answering, and 3 automatic translation cases. An implementation of conversation with emotion allows a human to talk to a machine using text, speech and video. Likewise, the machine responds with the 3 media. Context-based audio enhancement has 4 use cases: emotion-enhanced speech, audio recording preservation, speech restoration system, and enhanced audio conference experience. Emotion-enhanced speech allows a human to get a reproduction of an emotionless utterance by giving a model utterance or an emotion identifier.
Server-based predictive multiplayer gaming can predict the state of the online game server when data are lost or a player cheats. AI-enhanced video coding seeks to extend or replace the tools of a traditional video coding scheme with AI tools. Currently, the inter-prediction, super resolution and in-loop filter coding tools are replaced. End-to-end video coding aims to develop a new fully AI-based video coding algorithm with substantial compression gains.
An MPAI-connected autonomous vehicle is composed of 5 subsystems. Last 3's, human-CAV interaction allows a human to communicate with the CAV and its subsystems. Environment sensing subsystem produces the basic world representation. CAV to everything exchanges data with other CAVs in range. Autonomous motion subsystem issues motion commands that computed full world representation. Motion actuation subsystem executes the motion commands. Each subsystem is an instance of an AI framework. Let's see how one of them works. The exemplary autonomous motion subsystem fuses internal and external environment data to issue commands to the motion actuation subsystem.
In mixed reality collaborative spaces, geographically separated humans collaborate in real time with avatars to achieve common goals. Participants are equipped with participant clients to send avatar model, face, head, arms, hands descriptors, participants' emotion and meaning derived from face and gesture, speech, and 3D audio-visual objects. The server receives ambient information, creates avatar descriptors from visual emotion and meaning information. The participant client builds the complete 3D audio and 3D visual scenes that participant can navigate. Examples are avatar-based video conference, virtual e-learning and teleconsulting. MPAI's modular approach that allows reuse of AIMs from other MPAI standards. After 1 year, MPAI vision and plans have become MPAI standards. In September 2021, 3 standards have been approved today. 2 standards are about to be approved. 7 standards are under development. Industry response. MPAI standards-based products have been announced.
Standards are proposed. Use cases defined. Functional requirements developed. Anybody can participate in any of the 3 stages. Commercial requirements are developed as framework licenses. Principal members intending to contribute to the standard develop the framework license. Members develop the call for technologies. Anybody can propose technologies. If one is accepted, proponent must join MPAI. Members develop the standard. When the standard is mature, Anybody can make comments before the committee in charge approves the standard and the principal members adopt it. Before initiating a standard, active members develop and adopt the framework license without values, dollars, percentage, dates etc. During the development, any member making a contribution declares its license will be according to the framework license. After the development, members with patents select their preferred patent pool administrator.
AI will impact humans and we need a trusted AI. Releasing an AI-based standard is not sufficient. MPAI appoint performance assessors to assess performance features, reliability, robustness, fairness and replicability of an implementation. MPAI helps users make informed decisions about which MPAI implementations to use. MPAI produces standards, establishes and controls the not-for-profit MPAI store and appoints performance assessors. An implementer submits an implementation to a performance assessor. Implementer and MPAI store are informed of the result. Implementer submits implementation to MPAI store. MPAI store verifies its security and correctness that user can download. If you wish to join MPAI, visit the MPAI website, qualify as a legal entity, select a membership class, and send the required material to the Secretariat. This is the MPAI community.
Join the fun, build the future.